Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. I will be reacting to a short film today. It's like a 2-3 minute film. It's called Salt. So I'm curious as to what it's about. Someone told me to react to some short films, and I found out some of the ones I can watch without getting copyrighted. So let's go. Ooh, I'm curious to see what it's gonna be.
Smell the roses. Then blow up.
Dang, for a short film, looks really good.
Sweetheart, I'm gonna have to go downstairs. Be safe. Just stay inside the circle.
Oh my god. Oh my god, there's another one. For a short film? God. Ah. Ooh. No, a damn cliffhanger. A damn cliffhanger. Really? Oh my god, Salt for a short film? Wow, that could give us this movie would be something I would definitely watch. I need to contact whoever these people are. Like, look, y'all need to give us a longer. This a 2 minute and 3 seconds. It's like watching wow. Whatever short films, please make sure it is fair use. It's the short film is reused. It's allowed to be reused. So you put in short films in the search bar and then click on filter and when you click on filter and click on Creative Commons, always make sure that it's checked and give me whatever you search for under that Creative Commons section, video, whatever, and I'll react to it because I don't want to feel like go through all this hassle with YouTube. I don't got time for that at work. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you one who recommend for this. I really do appreciate it. But if you guys want me to react to it, feel free to leave a link in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.